Welcome to a world of survival like you've never seen before. In this video, we'll check out smart survival tools that could save your life. From innovative gear on Amazon to indispensable survival gadgets, we'll show you how to thrive in any environment. Number 10. AR6 Stinger 2 Compact. Looking to level up your survival gear with some seriously cool gadgets? Let's dive into the AR6 Stinger 2 Compact, the ultimate survival tool. When you need a compact, lightning-fast weapon for tight spots, the AR6 Stinger 2 Compact is your go-to. It's like a pocket-sized survival beast designed for one-handed use. What makes it even better is its compatibility with all other AR6 Stinger 2 gear and accessories. Customize it to fit your survival needs perfectly, like building your own survival superhero sidekick. Now, about durability. It's crafted from top-quality polymer, and it's up to the task when it comes to handling tough situations. Plus, it's incredibly accurate, hitting the mark up to 75 feet away. But the real deal is its power. With just a 35-pound draw weight, relatively low for a crossbow, it packs a punch with 7 foot-pounds of energy, as much as crossbows with an 80-pound draw weight. Imagine the versatility of this modular wonder. Adapt it, add accessories, and conquer any survival scenario. Whether you're prepping for the wild or gearing up for emergencies, the AR6 Stinger 2 Compact is your ultimate survival buddy. It's like having a Swiss Army knife, but way cooler. Number 9. HOTO Flashlight. Meet the HOTO Flashlight, a powerful and versatile tool boasting a whopping 1,000 real lumens to banish darkness wherever you go. Its versatility shines through with 5 adjustable modes, including 2 SOS modes for toggling between different levels of brightness and sending out international distress signals when needed. Thanks to its front-end zoom head, you can tailor the beam from a focused spotlight to a wide floodlight, illuminating distances up to 200 meters. But wait, there's more. With a handy HOTO yellow hook, you can effortlessly clip this flashlight to your bag or tent, freeing up your hands for whatever you're doing. Need a softer glow? The diffuser attachment transforms the flashlight into a lamp, perfect for both indoor and outdoor activities. Here's the kicker. It's designed to keep you powered up. Tucked away is a hidden USB-C charging port, paired with a 2600 mAh lithium battery, ensuring up to 24 hours of continuous use. Plus, the intelligent battery indicator keeps you in the know about the remaining power, making the HOTO Flashlight your trusted companion for any adventure. Number 8. AR7 Survival Rifle. The AR7 is the real deal when it comes to a survival rifle, and it doesn't disappoint. Initially designed as a survival rifle for US combat pilots, the AR7 was purpose-built to excel in the toughest conditions imaginable. While it had military origins, it's found a special place in the civilian market as one of the most sought-after takedown rifles. As part of the 22LR platform, it's accurate enough to nail your target with precision at distances ranging from 50 to 75 yards. What sets it apart is its rugged construction, with minimal openings for dirt, grime, or water to infiltrate its inner workings. The AR7 is virtually indestructible and user-friendly, making it a go-to choice for survivalists of all experience levels. Number 7. Real AVID Pistol Tool. Introducing the Real AVID Pistol Tool, your all-in-one solution for disassembling, assembling, fine-tuning, and maintaining your handguns. This tool is a true multitasker capable of handling a wide range of essential functions, from mounting accessories and field disassembly to laser sight adjustments and grip changes. Plus, its compact design ensures it easily slips into most standard pistol magazine pouches, so you're always ready for action, whether you're at the bench, on the range, or in the field. Number 6. LIFESABER. Ever wondered if there's one tool that could potentially save your life in the wilderness? Look no further than LIFESABER Wilderness Survival Power Supply. It's got more life-saving features than you could imagine. Let's say you're out in the wild, off the grid, and you suddenly need clean water. The LIFESABER has you covered with its snap-on water purifier. It also doubles as a portable generator, capable of producing power wherever and whenever you need it. So if an emergency strikes you and you need to make a crucial phone call, you won't be left stranded. And there's more, way more. This versatile device isn't just about hydration and power. It's also equipped with a flashlight to light up your path in the great outdoors. But here's the kicker, it even boasts a strobe light. Now, you might think it's for dance parties, but it's actually a lifesaver in disguise. The strobe light can help rescuers locate you if you ever find yourself lost or injured. So when it comes to wilderness survival, the LIFESABER has got your back. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more great content. Number 5. Off-Grid Tools Survival Axe. Have you ever held a tool that just screams quality right out of the box? Well, that's the OGT Survival Axe Elite for you. It's not just well made, it's a masterpiece. The moment you grab it, you'll notice the perfect heft and a reassuring feeling of sturdiness, despite its featherweight at just 1.5 pounds. But here's where it truly shines. It's a rugged beast with a treasure trove of unique features. While it might not have as many as Off-Grid Tools advertises, it still packs a punch. The star of the show, besides the trusty axe hatchet blade, is the folding survival saw. With its razor-sharp 6-inch blade, it can slice through just about anything you throw at it. And the versatility doesn't stop there. The Survival Axe Elite moonlights as a hammer, pry bar, can opener, bottle opener, nail puller, and more. It's got a built-in glass breaker and a seatbelt strap cutter, turning it into the ultimate multi-purpose emergency tool for your vehicle. So, whether you're in the wilderness or navigating urban jungles, this elite survival axe has got you covered. Number 4. SPYDERCO DELICA. Ever wondered what makes a pocket knife truly exceptional? Let's take a closer look at the SPYDERCO DELICA, a proven top-tier choice boasting exceptional blade steel. The standout feature of this knife is its deep yet narrow blade. It's this unique design that defines the DELICA. The thin, delicately tapered edge is precision engineered for intricate tasks, ensuring a seamless cutting experience. But don't let that fool you. The blade's overall depth provides robustness and unwavering reliability. The real star of the show, though, is SPYDERCO's signature one-thumb opening hole. It sets the standard for quick and easy access, even in the most demanding situations. Sure, with the double blade, the folded package might appear a bit bulkier than some might prefer, but it's still compact enough to accompany you on a backpacking adventure. Now, on the flip side, the handle's narrowness might leave something to be desired in terms of grip, yet for those who appreciate precision and finesse, the SPYDERCO's DELICA is a top-tier choice that doesn't compromise on blade excellence. Number 3. InReach MINI 2. Getting stuck in the middle of nowhere and with no signal is a scene that is straight out of a horror movie. Seeing how reality is stranger than fiction, this is a scenario we can find ourselves in. This is where the InReach MINI 2 comes in. It's a tiny, tough, and brilliant satellite communicator. Imagine you're off on epic road trips, camping under the stars, or just exploring places where cell signals get lost in the wilderness. No worries, you've got the InReach MINI 2. It's like your secret weapon for staying in touch and letting your family know you're safe. You won't believe how useful it is. It's been a game changer for campers, adventure seekers, and travelers who got much help when they needed to send messages to their folks, share their location, and even when they found themselves in the middle of nowhere. Let's talk about why this gadget rocks. It's small and tough as nails, so you can take it anywhere. It connects to satellites all over, so you're never really off the grid. There are all sorts of subscription options to fit your needs. You also get to message and map your adventures right from your smartphone. And the best part, the battery lasts a long time, so it's ready to go when you are. Number 2. Sync 2 Traveler Multi-Tool. Ever found yourself in a tight spot, needing a trusty multi-tool, but realizing it's nowhere to be seen? Well, meet the Sync 2 Traveler, your ultimate solution. Imagine a world where your multi-tool becomes a part of your attire, detachable to serve as a bold belt buckle if you're that committed, or simply clipped onto your bag strap or anywhere you like. And for those moments when you just want it in your pocket, no worries, it folds down neatly to a size resembling a small wallet. But what's inside this compact wonder? Brace yourself for a versatile arsenal. Pliers, gripper, scissors, Phillips screwdriver, medium flathead screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, soft wire cutter, crimpers, and the indispensable bottle opener. Number 1. SOG MACV Tool. Imagine having a tool that's ready for action whenever you need to pop a bottle, tighten a stubborn screw, pry out a staple, cut a fishing line, or even give your blade a quick touch-up on the fly. Meet the MACV tool, designed to pay homage to the original skull symbol of the MACV SOG group, a name that's been synonymous with quality since 1986. This little wonder is your versatile everyday carry, right there on your keychain, always within reach. Crafted from rugged 3CR13 stainless steel, its one-piece design with a tough black coating means it's built to last for years to come. And the best part? This tool's usefulness knows no bounds, especially when you're packing it wherever you go. It's even compliant with TSA regulations. Now, let's dive into its impressive arsenal of 12 components. A trusty pry bar, a handy bottle opener, small and large flathead drivers, a compact Phillips driver, a line cutter, a blade sharpener, 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch wrenches, a 3/8 of an inch wrench and a 1/4 inch hex bit driver, and a built-in lanyard keychain hole. It's like having a toolbox's worth of utility at your fingertips, all from a tool that's already in your pocket. And you know what's even better than these cool gadgets? It's hitting that button right here to watch another video that's just as awesome as this one.